What if I told you that in 2026, the biggest wealth transfer in history is happening right now? And it's not in real estate, it's not in crypto, it's not even in stocks. It's in artificial intelligence. Right now, AI is doing for this generation what the internet did in the early 2000s. Back then, people laughed at online businesses. They ignored companies like Amazon. They underestimated Google. They didn't take Facebook seriously. And the people who understood early, they became millionaires. Some became billionaires. Today, AI is that same opportunity. And in this video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to get rich with AI in any industry in 2026. Even if you don't know how to code, don't have startup capital, don't have a big audience, live outside Silicon Valley, or are starting completely from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear blueprint. Let's begin. Here is the new rule. The people who own AI systems get rich. The people who ignore AI compete with AI. That's the difference. AI tools like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google are releasing technology that can write faster than humans, design better than beginners, code faster than junior developers, analyze data better than interns, automate entire workflows. This means something powerful. If you use AI properly, you become 10 people. And in business, leverage equals wealth. In 2026, rich people won't work harder. They'll work smarter with AI leverage. So your goal is simple. Don't compete with AI. Partner with AI. There are only 4 real ways to make serious money with AI. Let's break them down. 1. AI service provider. This is the fastest path. You use AI tools to provide services to businesses. For example, AI content creation, AI marketing automation, AI chatbot setup, AI data analysis, AI video editing, tools like OpenAI, Midjourney, Runway. You don't need to build AI. You just need to apply it. Businesses are confused about AI. If you understand it, you become valuable. In 2026, clarity is currency. 2. AI enhance traditional business. You don't need a tech startup. Let's say you're in real estate, architecture, e-commerce, construction, consulting, education. You integrate AI into what you already do. Imagine a real estate agent using AI to auto-generate listings, analyze property trends, create personalized outreach. An architect using AI for concept visualization, faster client presentations, automated documentation. Who makes more money? The AI-enhanced professional. This is where massive wealth will be built. 3. AI content empire. In 2026, AI allows one person to run a media company. With tools like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you can script with AI, edit with AI, design thumbnails with AI, repurpose automatically. One person. Multiple platforms, multiple income streams, ad revenue, affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsorships. AI removes the team. 4. Build AI products. This is the highest level. You identify a problem. You build an AI tool that solves it. You don't even need deep coding skills anymore. No-code tools are exploding. You can create AI SaaS tools, AI niche chatbots, AI business dashboards, AI productivity tools. Then you charge subscription fees, monthly income. Scalable. This is how you build real wealth. Now, let's make this practical. Here's the blueprint. Step 1, pick an industry. Do not chase AI randomly. Pick one industry. Ask, where is money already flowing? Health, finance, real estate, education, construction, e-commerce, content creation. Money flows where problems exist. AI solves problems. Step 2, identify expensive problems. The richer the client, the more valuable the problem. Ask, what takes them too much time? What costs them too much money? What requires too many employees? Those are automation opportunities. Automation equals profit. Step 3, learn 3 AI tools deeply. Don't learn everything. Master 3 tools. For example, OpenAI for thinking and writing, Midjourney for design, Zapier for automation. Depth beats width. When you master tools, you gain confidence. Confidence attracts money. Step 4, package the solution. Don't sell AI, sell outcomes. Instead of saying, I use AI for marketing, say, I help real estate agents get 30% more leads using automated AI systems. See the difference? Rich people buy results, not technology. Step 5, offer free proof. In 2026, attention is currency. Create case studies, free demos, sample automation. Post them on LinkedIn, post them on YouTube. Show before and after. When people see proof, they pay. Step 6, scale with systems. Once you get clients, automate delivery. Use AI to onboard clients, send reports, generate deliverables, analyze performance. You build systems. Systems build wealth. If you want to get rich with AI, you must think differently. Stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like a system builder. AI is not here to replace you. It replaces repetitive thinkers, but it multiplies strategic thinkers. In 2026, speed wins, adaptability wins, execution wins. The people who experiment will dominate. The people who wait will complain. Don't wait to feel ready. Start messy. Start small. But start now. Here's the truth. AI is not magic. It's leverage. And wealth has always followed leverage. In the 1800s, it was machines. In the 2000s, it was the internet. In 2026, it is AI. You have two choices. Ignore it and compete against it. Or master it and get rich with it. Pick one industry. Solve one expensive problem. Use 3 AI tools deeply. Package results, show proof, scale systems. That's the blueprint. The opportunity is here. The only question is, will you move or will you watch others move? The future is automated. The future is intelligent. The future is now. And the rich of 2030? They're building with AI in 2026. Start today.